Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Max and I've tried learning how to code for 100 days, every single day for at least an hour, and I'm just gonna share my experience with you. I'm also not a native English speaker, so please bear with me, but my whole learning process and materials that I've used are all in English. Now, I'm a complete beginner, I have bachelor's in economics and my job is related to video editing and marketing. I have no prior knowledge in any programming languages, and the only thing I did was 15 years ago in middle school when we did something related to Pascal programming language. However, I am very passionate about technologies. I read and watch stuff about new tech all the time. I use a lot of tech devices, and that's a big hobby of mine. And I would love to know more from the inside how this all works, and maybe potentially find a job related to technologies in the future. So back to learning. My friend who is a back-end developer suggested me a great and free course made by Harvard University. It's called CS50, Introduction to Computer Science. This course consists of 10 weeks. Each week has a lecture and additional materials. And the end of this course is a final project. So in 2023, I started this course. And within 2 months of inconsistent studying, I got burned out, overwhelmed, and dropped it, and didn't touch it for about a year. And now, a couple of months ago, I decided that I'm gonna learn for just 1 hour. No need to do more. But I will do it consistently, every single day, without missing any days. As a result, within just 3 weeks of consistent studying, I did much more when I studied for 2 months inconsistently. I retained information much better, I don't push myself, I do not burn out. And within this 100 days period, on average, I studied 1 hour in about 30 minutes. Anyway, with this CS50 course, I'll learn the fundamentals about how the computers work, how the zeros and ones work in the computer, how the RGB panels work, how the internet works, and I also learned about C language, Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I reached week 8 of this CS50 course and stuck on the project. I had to make my own web page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript languages. But the information provided in the week 8 was not enough. They give you a lecture and then a couple of videos and then also a website that you have to use yourself to get the information needed to create this web page. And this website is basically like a documentation for these 3 languages. So I just got overwhelmed and started looking for something specifically made for web development. And many people on Reddit recommended the Odin project. The Odin project is a free open source coding curriculum which you can take online. From what I found on the web, the whole course of the Odin project, including the foundations and the pathway, takes around 1,000 hours. So I started the foundations and it felt really awesome. It has a great community on Reddit and the Discord, so my huge thank you to everybody who's involved in this project. Now about my experience. So with the Odin project, I learned so much about the CSS and HTML and then reached the JavaScript part. I again got overwhelmed and decided to find something specifically for JavaScript. And I found a great course actually on Udemy by Jonas Schmetman. The course itself is excellent and I've learned a lot about JavaScript. But the problem is, when I came back to the Odin project and to CS50, I could not do anything. I got stuck in what is called tutorial hell. It's when you know a lot, you watch a lot of videos, but you don't apply your knowledge and you don't build anything. It seems like everybody says don't get stuck in tutorial hell, but eventually anyway everybody gets stuck in tutorial hell. So by the end of 100 days, I have 3 unfinished courses, and seems like I know a lot, but not so much at the same time. I'm still learning and I'm actually continuing my challenge of studying every day consistently, and in fact today is my 126th day. Initially, I started to upload in my study sessions on Instagram and it helped me so much. A lot of my friends encouraged me, some people gave me advice, and I did not feel alone on this journey. And by making this video, I'm just basically doing the same thing. So if you have any questions or advice, just write me in the comments. I'm going to upload another video when I finally finish CS50 course, and also other videos kind of documenting my coding milestones. And also basically to just keep me motivated. So far my Instagram videos help me in that so much. So thank you all for watching and see you in the next one.